Best business ideas under 1 lakh. Here are 5 business ideas that you can start with a budget of under 1 lakh rupees. Cloud kitchen. Offering hygienic and delicious meals delivered to customers' doorsteps without the need for an elaborate dine-in setup. You'd need a well-equipped kitchen and skilled chefs, with an estimated budget of around 50,000 rupees. Dropshipping services. Providing reliable and quick delivery services for various business needs. To start, you'd need an investment of around 35,000 rupees. E-Tutor services. With the e-learning sector booming, offering online tutoring services can be a lucrative venture. You'd need limited capital, around 11,000 rupees, to get started. Juice bar. Given India's hot climate, a juice bar offering fresh juices and mocktails can be highly profitable. The initial investment could be around 25,000 rupees. Writing services. Content is crucial, and offering writing and editing services can be a viable business. You'd need about 2,000 rupees for purchasing necessary tools. These ideas can indeed be tailored to your skills, interests, and the demand in your local market. Starting small, conducting thorough research, and creating a solid business plan are key steps to success. For more information, click the link in the description.